lesson 20. Go ahead and get out your math books. Open them to page 37 and 38. You will tear out page 37 and 38, put your name and date at the top. And about every other video I keep mentioning, your pages should always be torn out. Remote students, those completed pages go straight into your packet to come back to school. And if you are a hybrid student working at home, your completed page goes straight into your red folders, okay? You can pause the video if you need to. All right, so in section 1 on page 37, you're going to mark the circle of the measures that are equivalent. Equivalent just simply means equal. Do you see the word equal in the word equivalent? So you're going to, if they are equivalent, you're going to color in the circle under them. Let's do the first row together. 5,280 feet equals 1. Hey guys, I'm sorry. You're coloring them, and if they're not equivalent, I read the directions incorrectly. If they're not equivalent, you color them in, okay? 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. Are those measurements equivalent? They are. 24 minutes equals 1 hour. Are there 24 minutes in an hour? No, so you will color in that measurement. They are not equivalent. 1,000 kilograms equals 1 gram. Is that true? That is not true. You will color that in. They are not equivalent. So that is how you're going to do that. Section 2, write the abbreviations. If you don't remember the abbreviations, go to the back of your book. All of this information is in the back of your book. Everything that you're taught is in the back of your books. Let me try to tell you the pages. If you will go, here I found them. If you will turn back to page 383, there from 383 to pages 396 is just all of the factual kind of things that you learn in math. It's not the applications of the facts, but it is the facts that can be memorized. So if you will turn back and look through those pages, you will find, as a matter of fact, I can tell you the exact page on from page 392 to page 393 are it's all about measures, and I'm trying to see if I actually see, yep, and the abbreviations are all on page 392 to 393, because I know I do have you tear your pages out, but the information is still in your book if you need to refer back to it, okay? So, so you will write in the abbreviations for those measurements. Number 3, you'll number each box from least to greatest. Number 4, you'll write the metric prefixes in the blanks. You should know those. Number 5, you will answer the story problems. Number 6, you will divide. Number 7, you will multiply. Number 8, you will put in the missing sign. And number 9, you will have to work each one of those problems out and see if the answer that they have in the book is correct. All right? So that is what you will be doing. Go ahead and look at section 6. I would like to do letter B with you real quick. So look at section 6, letter B. Our problem is 70,586 divided by, we are dividing by 29. So we look at our second digit. Our second digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So we know we're going to have to add 1 to our first digit. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 will be our pretend divisor. So how many times will 3 go into 7? 3 will go into 7. 3 times 2 is 6. So it'll go in there 2 times. But can 29 go into 7? No. Can 29 go into 70? Yes. So our 2 will go above our 0. And we're ready to multiply. 9 times 2 is 18. Put 8 down. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. We subtract. We can't say 0 minus 8. We borrow from our 7, make it a 6. Now we have 10 minus 8 is 2. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Is 12 smaller than our divisor 29? It is. So we bring down our next digit, which is a 5. How many times can 3 go into 12? 3 can go into 12 4 times. Our 4 goes straight above our 5. That's the number we brought down. I'm going to pause and put my comma in my answer. Okay, so 9 times 4 is 36. Put 6 down. Carry the 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. We subtract. We can't say 5 minus 6. Borrow from our 2, make it a 1. Now we have 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. Is 9 smaller than our divisor 29? It is. So we bring down our next digit, which is an 8. How many times can 3 go into 9? It can go in there, or yes, it can go in there 3 times. So we put our 3 above the 8. 9 times 3 is 27. Put 7 down, carry our 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. We subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. We compare. Is 11 smaller than our divisor 29? It is. We bring down our next digit, which is a 6. How many times can 3 go into 11? 3 times 3 is 9. We're still going to try that one. 9 times 3 is 27. Put 7 down. Our 2 is already here. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. We subtract. Is it going to work? I believe it is. Put our 0. 16 minus 7 is 9. 0. 10 minus 8, guys, look at that. 10 minus 8 is 2. Is 29 smaller than our divisor 29? It is not. So that tells us that it needs to go in there one more time. Instead of a 3, it should be a 4. Whenever your difference comes out the exact same as your divisor, that means your divisor can go in this number one more time. Okay, so erase your 29, erase your 87, and then get your number right here. Your difference for here should be 116 before we started subtracting that other number. Okay, so we have our 4 up there now. 9 times 4 is 36. Put 6 down, carry a 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus that 3 is 11. 116 minus 116 is 0. So our answer is 2,434. All right, so y'all will go ahead and complete all the rest of your math sheet.